G'day, it's Rob here again. Got a bandsaw, metal cutting bandsaw. Broke the blade. You saw, well, I did break a couple of blades in a few videos back. I was all set to throw this out, and then I was looking and I thought, you know, I reckon we can use this. We can use this. So I'll show you what I've done with it. Everybody's got one of these, I think. These circle hole cutters that they just use pretty crappy carbon steel, and all they're good for is cutting wood and plastic. They're okay for that. That's all they're really meant for. And I was looking at that and I thought, you know, it'd be great if these could cut steel. Well, when you think about it, what could be better, eh? Let's make some blades up out of this stuff to fit in here, replace those. The depth doesn't matter because you're only going to be cutting shallow, and see how it goes. So here's what we've come up with. All I did was cut off a length of this broken blade, leave one of these screws in, take one out, and then fit in the length you want for the size hole you want. So it butts up against this one cross screw. Mark the blade through the hole with marker pen, take out the blade, grind a hole through the blade with a pencil die grinder, put the blade back, put the screws through, bingo, we've now got a metal cutting hole saw. Does it work? Does it work? Check out the video. So there you go. Nice clean cut. Did it dry effortlessly. I had the drill press on the lowest speed. It went through like nothing. This is the old computer case side. I had to stop and tighten the bolt up. Make sure it was on the flat on the drill shaft. If you haven't got a flat on the shaft, as it puts more loading on it, just grind a little flat on the centre drill and then put your bolt back in and you're good to go. But once she was all tightened up, it went through that like a hot knife through the proverbial butter. So there you go, guys. You don't need to spend a lot of money. You can do all these things with a bit of brain power. Okay, that's it from me. Must be time for a beer. See you next time. Cheers.